This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Decide on final dimensions before cutting. I recommend a 30-inch diameter top and an 18-inch finished height for a classic cocktail table. Choose a 3/4-inch plywood top or 20 mm hardwood for a durable surface that will resist warping. Gather tools and hardware now: circular saw and jigsaw for shapes, drill and bits for joinery, sander and sanding pads, clamps, wood glue, half-inch dowels, and 2 pocket screws per corner. Prepare a simple sketch of leg placement and apron joinery to reduce mistakes. Start by cutting a 30-inch circle for the top from 3/4-inch plywood. Use a jigsaw with a steady guide or a router jig for a clean edge. Cut 4 legs at 17.5 inches long from 1.5-inch thick lumber so the table reaches 18 inches after tabletop thickness and joinery. Rip an apron strip 2.5 inches tall. Length should match the inside circumference so it fits snugly under the top. Label each part, sand edges smooth, and pre-drill dowel and pocket screw locations to prevent splitting. Dry fit the apron and legs first, then apply wood glue to mating surfaces and insert half-inch dowels into pre-drilled holes for alignment. Secure joints with clamps and add 2 pocket screws per corner for strength. Allow glue to cure per manufacturer instructions. Sand the assembled table using 80, then 120, then 220 grit for a smooth, uniform surface. Remove dust, then apply 2 coats of satin polyurethane or a Wypon oil finish, allowing about 4 hours drying between coats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.